Today I will start new chapter multiplication. Coming to page number 72 in your textbook, children. Previous class you have learned the multiplication of a number by a single digit. Okay. For example, they given see 6 into 8 is equal to 48. That is 6 8s are 48. Here 12 into 6 is equal to 72. 12 6 are 72. Okay. In the above examples, identify and make the list of the multiplicand, multiplier and product. Multiplicand in this number, see, in the above example they show 6 into 8 is equal to 48. In this you have to find out multiplicand, multiplier and product. So example 1 is what? Here which one is the multiplicand? The number which is multiplied, no, that is an multiplicand. 6 is the multiplicand, right here 6. Multiplier is 6 is multiplied by 8, no, that is the multiplier, and 6 and 8 multiply will get the answer, no, that is called as a product. Okay. In example 2, which is the multiplicand? 12 is the multiplicand and 6 is the multiplier and 72 is the product. Coming to page number 73, children. See here, observe this figure, children. See, for activity 3 they are given Rohit has 5 pencil cups. Each cup contains 6 pencils. How many pencils does Rohit has? See here, observe these figures. How many cups is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups is there. In each cup, how many pencils is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 pencils in each cups. Okay, see how many pencils are there all together. Try, see here. In each cup is how many? 6 pencil is there. So 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. How much? 5 cups is there, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups. Okay, 5 cups. They have pencil 6. So I written 5 times 6. Okay, so now add 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. Altogether how much pencil is there? 30 pencil is there. So instead of adding 6 5 times, it can be written in a simple form using a multiplication sign in this way, children. This is the multiplication sign. This is plus, this is subtraction. Okay, instead of adding 6 5 times, it can be written in simplified form using a multiplication, that is 6 into 5 is equal to 30. So multiplication means what? Multiplication is repeated addition of the same number. What is multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition of the same number. So multiplications without carrying. For example, see, without carrying we can do the sums here. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. Without carrying we can do the multiplications. Okay, without carrying the multiplications we can do. Coming to page number 74 in your textbook, children, remember the points that multiplication is repeated addition. The number which is multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called a multiplier. When two numbers are multiplied, the result obtained is called a product. Okay, children, there are some properties of multiplication. See, property 1, multiplication property of multiplying by 1. See, here how many pot is there? 1, 2, 3 pots. How many plants in what? Each pot? 1 plant is there. So see, how many flower pots are there in the above figure? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many plants are there in each pot? 1, 1. Okay. How many plants are there in this pot altogether? So you know that there are 3 pots and in each pot have 1 plant. So 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, how many plants are there in these pots altogether? 3. Example 2. Coming to page number 75. Example 2. See here, dot is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. In each box, how many rounds ball is there? 1. So 5 into 1 is 5. How many rectangles are there in the above figure? How many rectangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles. How many dots are there in each rectangle? 1. How many dots are there altogether in rectangles? 5 into 1 is 5. So when we observe the above example, we infer that when any number multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Here they give, see here children, when any number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. So see here, 10 into 1 is equal to dash. 10 into 1 means that 10 ones are 10. 155 is a 55. 100 ones are 100. 8 ones are 8. Okay. Then the property of multiplication by 0. Second property what? The property of multiplication by 0. So 7 into 0 is equal to 0. That is 7 zeros are 0. 15 zeros are 0. What is the product obtained in the above examples? What is the product obtained is 0 only. 15 zeros are 0. From the above example, we can conclude that coming page number 76. Okay children, we conclude that when any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. What we conclude that when any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Okay. See, the order principle of multiplication. In figures, two different ways of arrangements of stars is given. See, arrangements in vertical column like this and arrangement in a horizontal rows. Okay. See, first figure only we can see. Observe the arrangement of the stars in figure 1 and answer the following questions. See, how many columns are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many columns are there? 5 columns. How many stars are there in each column? This is one column. So each column, how many stars is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 stars. Find the total number of stars are in all the columns. So that 5 columns. In each column, 3 stars is there. So 5 into 3 is 15. So we can come to the figure 2. See, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. How many rows are there? 3. How many stars are there in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stars is there? 5 stars. Find the total means 3 rows, 5 stars in each row. That is 3 5s are 15. So what do we observe from the above activity means 5 into 3 is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 15 only. 5 3s are 15 or 3 5s also 15. So the product is the same in both arrangements similarly. That is 5 into 7 is equal to 7 into 5 is equal to 30. We know that the table 5 7s are 35 or 7 5s are 35. So 20 into 8 is equal to 8 into 20 is equal to 160. So what we conclude that the product, coming to page number 77, the product of two numbers does not change if we interchange the order of the multiplicand and the multiplier. This is known as the order property of multiplication. See, exercise 5.1 children. First main, fill in the blanks with the suitable answers. Okay, here see. 9 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 9 into dash is equal to dash. So you know that multiplication is repeated form of addition of the same number. How many times is it repeated? 1, 2, 3. How many times 9 is repeated? 3 times. So 9 3s are 27. Here 3 is repeated. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which number is repeated? 3 is repeated. How many times? 8 times. They only given. So 3 8s are 24. Here which number is repeated? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number is repeated? 5 is repeated. How many times? 4 times. So 5 4s are 20. 5 is repeated how many times? 4 times. Okay. Now this one is, which one number is repeated? 6. Write here 6. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 6 5s are 30. Okay children. So second main, write repeated form of addition and multiplication for each set. They are done. Example they have done. See, stars is how much? 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Here 3 plus 3 is 6. Multiplication form is what? It is row. How many rows is there? 2 rows. In each row how much? 1, 2, 3 is there. So 2 3s are 6. Okay. First one I'll do. See a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to how much, children? 14. So here you know that this is 7, 7 is there. So how many rows is there? 1, 2. So 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Coming to page number 78, children. See here. How much is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So here how much? 1, 2, 3. 3 into, in each it is 5 is there. So 3 5s are 15. Multiplication form. Now see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Now see in column wise. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns is there. In each column how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Okay children. Third main. Complete the blanks using the properties of multiplication. So you know the properties of multiplication. 75 into dash is equal to 75. So you know the property, any number multiplied by 1 is number itself this one. So 75 ones are 75. So 93 into 0 is equal to 93. No, that is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So here 37 into 42. So you know that this is multiplicand, this is multiplier. But here change the order. Multiplier into dash they are given. So this is now multiplicand. Now you have to write the multiplier is 37 in this. If change the order also, it will not be that the product will be same. So 1 into 555 is any number multiplied by 1 is number itself only. So 555. Here is 15 into dash is equal to 20 into 15. Here multiplicand multiplier. But here multiplier came to multiplicand place. So you can write here 20. 50 into 20. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 7623 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Okay children, today we have learnt properties of multiplications and we have to write in addition and the multiplication form. So next class I continue the same chapter. Thank you.